Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zaur Rahman. I am Communication Director with USAID Power Distribution Program. USAID Power Distribution Program is funded by USAID, and we are working with 9 power distribution companies of Government of Pakistan, which includes Lahore Electric Supply Company, Islamabad Electric Supply Company, Peshawar Electric Supply Company, Gujranwala Electric Power Company, Multan Electric Power Company, Sakar Electric Power Company, Hyderabad Electric Supply Company, and Quetta Electric Supply Company. The main objective of our program is to reduce losses and improve their revenues or increase their revenues. The purpose of our participation in this exhibition is that we are working in energy sector since 2010. Though USAID has been working in energy sector since long, and we have a long history in Pakistan. We have been working with in the construction of dams, generation sector and transmission sector, but this project is basically based on the distribution sector. We are working with the distribution companies. Purpose of USAID Power Distribution Program is to increase revenues of distribution companies and reduce their losses. Right now, the power distribution companies are undergoing heavy losses, which include technical and non-technical. And technical because of the substandard and outdated meters, transformers, the transmission lines. These companies have been facing losses, and non-technical because of theft. There's theft in some parts of Pakistan where people are stealing electricity, and government is not receiving that much revenue from those distribution companies. Here in this exhibition we have many international companies participating, and USAID being its objective to improve Pakistan's power sector, improve its overall governance structure, human resources of distribution companies, and improve audit and accounting system and distribution companies. We have the purpose to improve the energy sector in Pakistan, and that's why we are participating here in this exhibition to highlight our objectives and to highlight our mission. USAID has commitment to improve the energy sector in Pakistan. That's why we are working here. In this exhibition we have a stall on load data improvement project. We have load data improvement project, which is a countrywide implemented project. Through this project we are installing automatic meter reading AMRs meters on grid stations. These grid stations will then be monitored through control centers in every disco. This will help these individual distribution companies, discos, to monitor their load, peak load, and to control their load shedding. Overall, a load data improvement project will result in the elimination of unplanned load shedding, because right now we have unplanned, unscheduled load shedding going on all over the country, and this load data improvement project of USAID will definitely result in the unplanned load shedding. We will improve the load shedding situation, which will be unplanned, and that will help consumers to schedule their activities, and they will know the schedule of their load shedding, so this will improve. This is besides our other interventions which we are doing right now to reduce load shedding as well. I mean, we have meters installation project going on in many discos, which will reduce losses, and once we reduce these losses, it will contribute to reduction in load shedding.